So the JA Business Hall of Fame is an opportunity for junior achievement to recognize and showcase the accomplishments of business leaders within our region. This year, we are honored to recognize Mr. Frank Venegas, Chairman and CEO of the Ideal Group.
My grandfather and grandmother come from Mexico in 1917. They come here because there was a thing called the $5 a day job that Henry Ford offered. So he worked in the plant as an assembly line worker. My father, he went to work at the Ford plant too, and he was assembly line worker for 39 years. And it was always a big thing for the kids to maybe be an engineer because they're the ones that had the white shirts inside the factories and the plants. And they sent me to school to be an engineer. I lasted about a year and a half because I knew what I wanted to be. I wanted to be an entrepreneur. How I started being an entrepreneur because I had a free press route. And you had to be an entrepreneur because you had to get up at 6 o'clock in the morning and deliver the papers before people woke up. But it's more so that you want to be an entrepreneur. And what you're doing here at Junior Achievement here is absolutely incredible. When I walked in, you're teaching these kids to be entrepreneurs. You're teaching them to learn the basics. And I think that your operation here is incredible. I would tell other business leaders that they need to come here. I think that they need to take a look at what's happening. I mean, you know, we can talk about, okay, we all know Junior Achievement is a good organization, but there's lots of good organizations here in Detroit. But I can tell you what, walking in this door, I just don't see a good organization. I see a great organization. And what you're doing here is phenomenal.